Okay, so let's do a quick review. In Movies Controller, in Get Movies Action, here I've gotten the Movies query. You can see I've applied a where clause here to get only the available movies. And then, if our query has a value, we apply that as well. And the rest of this method is exactly like the customer's API. Now we are ready to post a form. So back to our new rental form. First, I'm going to give this form an ID because we're going to use jQuery to get this element. New rental. Now in our JavaScript code, here on the bottom, we get the element with the ID new rental and handle the submit event. This callback function takes a parameter E, which represents the submit event. Now first we need to call e.prevent default. This will prevent the form from submitting normally. If you don't do this, you will have a traditional HTML form. Now instead, you want to use Ajax. So jQuery.ajax. URL is going to be /API/new rentals. Method is going to be post. Alternatively, we could use the jQuery post method instead of Ajax. And data is going to be our view model. So here we've got the customer ID and movie IDs, which looks exactly like our new rental DTO. And finally, we need to handle the success and fail scenarios. So we chain the done method here. And similarly, fail. Now at this point, I'm not going to display notification or clear the form. One step at a time. I just want to make sure that submitting the form works. So I will simply log a message in the console. Save. Now before testing this feature, if you previously called the API and created rental records in the database, you should delete these records because at that point, we didn't have the column in the movies table to keep track of their availabilities. So it's like we rented out some movies, but our number available column is not decreased. So you'll create bad data in your database. So clear this table, and then let's test this. Refresh. Mary is going to rent Hangover. I'm going to open up the console. Submit. Done. Beautiful. Next, we're going to add toast notification here.